welcome to my channel. My name is Arielle. In this video I'm going to show you the look I got using the Morphe 24G Grand Glam. I'm starting out with creamer as my underbrow highlight, and please excuse my underbrow, I'm still growing them out. Now I'm going to use Frenchie in my crease. I didn't do a review or swatches on this palette just because I felt like it wasn't anything we haven't seen before, especially from Morphe, so I did feel it was a little bit pointless. The colors are pigmented, very easy to blend. I have nothing bad to say about the palette. I just wish they would have used different colors, especially if they wanted to name it Grand Glam, because it's not that glam. Now I'm using Mojo to deepen my crease. Next, I'm taking the boldest color in the palette, which is Glitz. From Instagram, I thought this would be a very hot poppin' pink, and really it's just like medium warm pink. I'm going to start working on my outer V, and I'm using Baked as my transition shade. And right on top of that, I'm using Brew, and I'm packing this color on, and then I'm going to blend it out. Pack it on, blend it together. Pack it on, blend it together. Then I'm just speeding through, cutting my crease. For my lid, I'm starting with Glazed. And so I get a nice transition. I'm using Dream.